The Great Wall of China, Myths and Reality. For more than 2,000 years, this vast and magnificent wall has stood as an eternal symbol of China. It is called the Great Wall of China. Stretching across deserts, mountains, grasslands, and valleys, it is not only a wall of stone, but also a story of power sacrifice and human ingenuity. In this episode, we will explore: who built the Great Wall of China? Is it really visible from space? And what makes this wall a living legend in world memory? The first emperor and the birth of the wall. In 221 BCE, Qin Shi Huang unified China after centuries of warfare. A new empire was born, but dangers remained. To the north, the nomadic Xiongnu tribes posed constant threats. To defend the new realm, he ordered the connection of earlier fortifications built by former states, creating a massive defense line, the earliest form of the Great Wall. The work was grueling. Hundreds of thousands of soldiers, peasants, and convicts were conscripted. Harsh conditions in mountains and deserts took many lives. So many perished that it was said the Great Wall is the longest cemetery on Earth. Though tragic, the wall reflected the absolute power of the first emperor. The wall through dynasties. After Qin's, the wall continued to evolve. Han Dynasty 206 BCE, 220 CE extended the wall beyond 10,000 kilometers, protecting the Silk Road. Sui and Tang dynasties less focus on walls due to relative border stability. Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644, rebuilt with brick and stone with strong watchtowers. This is the Great Wall we mostly see today. The Great Wall is not one wall, but a chain of constructions spanning centuries. Myths and misconceptions. Several myths surround the Great Wall. Visible from space, false. Astronauts confirm the wall is too narrow and blends with terrain. Impenetrable defense, also false. Nomads breached it many times. The Manchus passed it to found the Qing Dynasty. Legend of Lady Meng Jiang. Her tears brought down a section of the wall after her husband died, building it, symbolizing the suffering of the common people. Purpose beyond defense. The wall served many functions: controlling trade with gates for taxation, military communication using beacon towers with smoke and fire signals, political symbolism proving the might of dynasties. The wall marked not just geography, but also the boundary between farming and nomadic worlds. Daily life along the wall. Life around the wall was vibrant. Villages and markets supplied soldiers. Merchants traveled along it, linking distant regions. Diverse communities formed through cultural exchange. The wall both divided and connected like a living artery across northern China. Legacy and modern symbol. Today, the Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Millions visit famous sections like Badaling and Mutianyu. But remote stretches are decaying, threatened by erosion and human damage. Despite this, the wall remains a universal symbol of collective strength, human resilience against nature, and cultural heritage across millennia. Conclusion. The truth of the wall. The Great Wall is both fact and legend. It cannot be seen from space, nor was it ever unbreakable. Yet it tells a greater story: the human desire to protect, to endure, and to leave a mark for generations. In the next episode, we will explore the Han Dynasty, the age of the Silk Road and imperial expansion.